Imagine checking into a new, beautiful 3,000 square foot 3-level home with a luxurious great room, a fireplace, 3 flat-screen TVs, and a gourmet kitchen that's equipped with everything. Not only that, when you stay at the Painted Horse Lodge, one of the best features of this property is seclusion and privacy. All of the log homes in this neighborhood are on a minimum of 2 acres. You can view nature from the patio or the covered decks in beautiful wood rockers, or just watch the wildlife while enjoying the hot tub. There's a fire pit in the yard, and if you're really quiet in the evening, a deer will come up to the house as well. Can you imagine sleeping in a bedroom like this? Beautiful, cozy, warm, elegant bedroom. All 4 of the bedrooms at the Painted Horse Lodge have these 4-poster pine log beds with the bark still on them. There's wonderful linens and all the towels you could want in its 3 full bathrooms. Well, are you convinced that you're ready for the ultimate getaway in Hocking Hills at the beautiful Painted Horse Lodge? The only thing you need to remember to bring is your favorite foods, and of course, don't forget your clothes. You will enjoy your stay at the Painted Horse Lodge.